Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So, my chin hairs are in full effect right now, and I don't like to have them waxed or plucked because I feel like they grow in longer, stronger, and more abundantly. So I like to cut them down with scissors. I've had these scissors for years. It came in this little pouch. I ordered it off Amazon. If someone requests the link, I will go back in my order history and post it. But like I said, I've had them for a few years now. So I am just going to, let's see how we're going to do this. Because I had y'all inside the medicine cabinet. And I'm just dropping stuff. Okay, so. And you see this little disrespectful one. So we're just gonna. I think I got all of them. And that's just how I do it. Hope that was helpful. Later. Love y'all.